The new for 2024 Mazda 2 hatchback represents a small package with a big surprise, offering a comprehensive set of features typically found on larger vehicles. Mazda's dedication to refinement and innovation shines through in this compact hatchback, making it a standout choice in its class. Despite its compact size, the Mazda 2 hatchback doesn't compromise on style. Its sleek exterior design, characterized by flowing lines and bold accents, exudes sophistication and dynamism. From the distinctive grille to the sculpted body panels, every detail has been carefully crafted to create a striking visual presence on the road. Mazda 2 hatchback dimensions 4,065 mm by 1,695 mm by 1,495 mm. The size is smaller than the sedan type, but it doesn't matter much at all. In the 2022 facelift, the Mazda 2 maintains the Kodo design language that has been its trademark since 2012. Kodo is the result of designer Ikuo Maeda's innovation to illustrate the speed, toughness and charm of Mazda. The most striking change is on the front. The fog lamp accents have changed to chrome only, then the grille design is new and wider. For the headlamps, the new Mazda 2 uses an LED projector with shroud which beautifies its appearance. On the other hand, the turn signals are still halogen. Turning to the side view, Mazda has now installed single-color aluminum wheels instead of dual-tone. Apart from that, the rearview mirror has also been updated with additional turn signals. Apart from that, the side design of the Mazda 2 facelift is very minimalist without many accents. Lastly, the back is also not too busy. The Mazda 2 is equipped with a shark fin antenna, chrome accents on the bumper and 4 parking sensors. Inside, the Mazda 2 hatchback offers a very spacious and comfortable cabin despite its small size. Premium materials and thoughtful design elements create an upscale ambiance, while intuitive controls and ergonomic seating ensure a pleasant driving experience for both driver and passenger. From the driver's seat, the seats are designed to follow the curves of the body. This will make you feel comfortable while driving. Then at the front there is a modern dashboard full of advanced features. Starting from the HUD, head unit, to the AC control panel. It could be said that the completeness of the Mazda 2 exceeds expectations. Even the instruments on the steering wheel resemble a 500 million car. In essence, this 5-passenger capacity hatchback really supports passenger comfort and convenience. One of the highlights between the Mazda 2 hatchback versus sedan is the trunk. Hatchbacks don't have a lot of space, but they are superior because you can store tall items. However, what differentiates the Mazda 2 hatchback is its complete set of features and technology. Despite its small size, this tiny hatchback prioritizes comfort, safety and entertainment. Mazda prioritizes passenger safety and security. In the new Mazda 2, this feature is divided into 3 categories. First, the Active Safety Standard, which includes the ABS, EBD, BA, DSC, TSC, HLA braking system and parking sensors. Second, passive standards include airbags and the Skyactiv body structure, which produces a 22% stronger frame. The third category is Eye Active Sense. This feature is useful for detecting blind spots and warning vehicles from behind. From advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking to advanced infotainment options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, the Mazda 2 hatchback offers everything you need to stay connected and protected on the road. Under the hood, the Mazda 2 hatchback delivers efficient performance without sacrificing fun. Its responsive engine and nimble handling make it a pleasure to drive both in city traffic and on twisty back roads, while its fuel-efficient design ensures you spend less time at the gas station and more time enjoying the ride. Performance. The pull of the new Mazda 2 engine when accelerating is very responsive, as explained earlier. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour only takes 9.8 seconds. Apart from injecting greater power, the latest SKYACTIV engine is also fuel efficient. The proof is that the Mazda 2 2022 hatchback type can travel 100 km with an average of only 7.25 liters of fuel on city routes. In other words, this car consumes 1 liter of fuel for a 13.8 km trip. Meanwhile, routes outside the city via toll roads are 18.5 km per liter. Price. The price for the 2022 Mazda 2 hatchback OTR Jakarta is around 338 million Indonesian rupiahs. Interestingly, you can build your own Mazda according to your wishes by adding accessories. Additional costs start from 1 million Indonesian rupiahs, 8 million Indonesian rupiahs per accessory. In conclusion, the new Mazda 2 hatchback for 2024 may be small in stature, but it stands out in features, style and driving enjoyment. Whether you're cruising city streets or embarking on a weekend adventure, this compact hatchback is sure to impress with its combination of versatility, technology and fun-to-drive personality.